My name is Bhavya Gunwal. I am from Haryana and currently in grade 11. I participated in the International Junior Science Olympiad. It feels amazing to be able to represent your country at an international stage, to be able to get a chance to win medals for your academics, to be able to make your country, your parents, your teachers feel proud. It's amazing. These Olympiads, unlike the other Olympiads conducted by private bodies, these are conducted by the Government of India. The organization called IUPT, Indian Association of Physics Teachers, conducts these Olympiads. The level of these Olympiads relative to the other Olympiads, which are commonly known to the people, the level is better. You get to learn beyond the CBSE curriculum and beyond the school level. These Olympiads are a great opportunity to learn more about the subject in depth. So about 2 years ago, I got a news that the Team India had won medals in Junior Science Olympiad at the international level. That's when I felt that I also need to prepare for this. It felt very appealing, the result, to be able to win for a country. These Olympiads are conducted in many subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, maths, etc. So the stages are different, but in general there are like main 4 stages. The first is NSE, National Standard Examination, in which approximately 40,000 students appear per subject, and of those 40,000, approximately 300 make it to the next stage, INO, Indian National Olympiad. Of these 300, approximately 35 students are selected for the camp that is held in HBCSE, Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education in Bombay. From this camp, 6 students in JSO, 4 in physics, different for each subject, are selected for the international stage, which is held in a different country each year. I attempt the Olympiads and tests conducted by the local institutions near me, and I also attempted this Junior Science Olympiad last year as well, and I made it to the OCSE camp last year also. These Olympiads, as I stated, are like better than the ones commonly known to the public. Like, they are not promoted much, so not many people know about these, but they are certainly better in a way that they promote in-depth learning of the subject. You can't do rote learning and get good marks in these Olympiads. You have to know the subject very well. You have to know the concepts. And also, usually in Olympiads, other Olympiads, it's just theory. So if you know theory, you can excel in them. But in this, practicals are also involved. You have to have a good hand at the subject, at the practicals, how to handle the apparatus, how to do the experiments, take readings. So it is an overall growth in all spheres with these Olympiads. So they are very beneficial for everyone, I believe. Other competitive exams, they basically mostly involve theory. Like, if you consider the medical entrance or the engineering entrance, they only involve theory. And it is just like about the rank. If you get a good rank, you get a good college or something like that. You get to learn a lot. You get to meet so many people. You get to meet the best of the country, the best teachers, the best students. It is a growth in all spheres, like emotionally, mentally. In every aspect, you will feel that you have grown after you participate in these Olympiads. So these are different from the other examinations, I'd say. Narayana was very instrumental in this journey of Junior Science Olympiad, because practicals are something that is not very commonly taught in our curriculum, and practicals, having a good hand at practicals is absolutely essential to these Olympiads. So Narayana helped me to learn the practicals, like how to do the practicals, how to handle the apparatus and everything. And besides the practicals, the theory part was also very good in Narayana. The teachers, top-notch faculty, they taught really well, cleared all the concepts, all the doubts. and overall they also morally supported, so the Narayana was very helpful in this journey. To the upcoming aspirants, I'd like to say that it's not only about the winning, it's not only about winning. As they say, the journey is more beautiful than the destination, so you should enjoy the journey. Like when you are giving these examinations, preparing for them, enjoy the journey, that you are getting to, so much knowledge that is not taught in the curriculum. If you make it to OCSE, you will get taught practicals and theory by the best faculty of the country, by PhD scientists who actually do research themselves, so they will clear your concept really well. So you have to enjoy the journey. It's not just about winning and getting selected.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को कि मेरी बेटी इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, और कुछ बस उनको जब कभी डाउन फील करे बच्चे तो उनको मॉरली सपोर्ट करना होता है। एजुकेशन वाइज तो नारायणा बेस्ट कर ही रहा है, उनको बेस्ट प्रैक्टिकल टीचर्स मोटिवेशन करते रहते हैं। हमें भी बीइंग ए पेरेंट्स बच्चों को मॉरली सपोर्ट करते रहना चाहिए।
Thank you, Narayana.